Press A to select all, then press X and delete all. Press Shift to select Mesh and click Cylinder. Tab into Edit Mode. Now scale it down on the Z axis. Now scale it to your liking. Press G, then press Z. Now move it up on the Z axis. Make sure it's sitting on the line. Select face mode, then select the top face. Press I to inset it. Inset it to your liking. Press E to extrude. Extrude upward to length you want. Press Shift A and add a mesh plane. Now scale the plane along all axes. Press Shift A and add a cube. Then go to the Modifier tab. Add Subdivision, Modifier, turn up the levels, and then apply it. Select the cylinder and add a bevel modifier. Now hide everything except the cylinder. Now adjust the amount and the segments. Now add a subdivision modifier. Now adjust the levels. Then right and shade smooth. Now unhide the floor plane. Select both cylinder and plane. Press Ctrl-A to apply the scale. Now unhide the ball. Now select the ball and move it up on the Z axis till it sits on the line. Now select the cylinder and move it up on the Z axis. Now select the ball and shade smooth. Now follow the steps shown. Select floor plane, go to Physics tab. Now add a collision. Select the cylinder. Again add the collision. Select the ball and add soft body. Now unselect gold because we want something like this. We are going to work on it some more. This is what will happen when it's checked. It's just bouncing. So uncheck goal. Now select self-collision. Now this is what we want to happen.
You can fly, but you'll never get closer to the
Now expand the Edges tab. Now what we are going to focus on is the bending. You can experiment with the amount of plasticity and bending. I am going to use plasticity of 3 and bending of 8. Perfect. Time to animate the cylinder. Select the cylinder and follow along. Go to frame 20. Press I and make a location keyframe. Now go to frame 60. Select the cylinder and move it down the Z-axis.
Won't let you find
About right there.
me. Won't let you drag me down. I won't even let
Press I and make another location keyframe.
burn down the city.
Now you can see what's taking place now. It's laggy now. Select the ball and go to the Modifier tab and do the following. We are just focusing on the cylinder for now. Select the cylinder and go to frame 80. Then press I and add a location keyframe. Now copy the first keyframe. Now paste it on the 110 frame mark. This is how it looks so far. Now change the end frame time to 150. Select the ball and go to the Modifier tab and click on the physics display. Now I'm going to let it run so the cache can load. Okay, let's see what we've got so far. Awesome, we are almost done. You can see when it presses down, and going back up the ball is a bouncing effect. Don't worry, we are going to fix it now. Go to the Physics tab. Expand the Cache tab. Find the frame where the ball is flat. For me, it's around 81 frames. Now go back to the Physics tab and set the end frame to 81. Now click on Bake to let the animation run smooth. We are finally finished.